So here's a little issue that I wanted to show you about. This is happening more and more with these combination products that people are getting from stores, patch repairs. So what's happening is people are using a heavy amount of patching compound in here. This is very thick. It comes with soil, seed, fertilizer all together. Having little problems like that, small little patches, but then applying all of this. And as you can see from looking at it, it has fertilizer granules, seed, as well as the compost soil in there. So all of these types of things, when overused, can be too much. So the problem we're getting here, the customer's been saying that my seeding's not working, there must be something wrong with the soil. Nope, there isn't. What's happening is this is getting so thick. This is meant to be a small little layer just on top, and the rest of this can be used somewhere else. It's burning. As you can see here, when we take a look right here, perfectly green around the outer edges. That's where the fertilizer is diluted, just enough from in the middle of this, so that this becomes perfectly green. And as you pull back a little further, you can see that kind of green halo around it, and then it settles out into the rest of the lawn. So these are the types of problems that you can get on a lawn doing a repair yourself. It's just important to know what product you're getting so that you don't end up with burn spots that don't seem to come back. Taking a look here again, you'll see burnt grass along the outer edges. It was probably more just like this before with some chinch bug. So this is going to need to be raked all up, diluted heavily, and once we get that fertilizer diluted, we'll be able to get this lawn back into shape.